Come here, guys. Stand right there, okay?
What happened? Is it throwing it right up?
The wind doesn't want to cooperate.
Hurry, hurry. Fire, do it, do it. No, pop out.
Okay. Say, go, fire, go. 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 Go, fire. Woo!
Whoa!
Whoa.
Here we go. Back up, buddy.
He's there. Woo! Oh. I'm glad that that's still not shooting off.
Wow!
Wow. That was scary, Dad.
I had to close my eyes.
That's why I wanted him back that way.
Well, I mean, I didn't know what your intention was.
Whoa!
I had to get it.
That blew my mind out of it.
That was a big one, wasn't it?
That was
Try
that
one of
blew.
these.
All right.
Now you shoot these like that, right?
I hope so.
Nah, me too.
Come this way.
Ow! Cameron!
I'm sorry.
Daddy!
Well, I don't tell you how to do it.
That was my leg.
You okay?
Well, we'll see later. It's baby. Baby, it's okay, honey. It's okay.
It's all right.
That's why you don't play with fire, right, boys?
Yeah,
Is it dangerous?
Yeah, you play fire for life.
I tried.
We gotta shoot.
What did it
I
do?
read it several times, and it says point away from people. Well, what end do you point away?
Hey, crazy daddy.
Hey, put it to the tree.
Was that fun, boys?
This will be better. I promise.
Micah, come back, honey.
Here we go. This will be better, Dad.
It's okay. This one's gonna go up there, okay?
This one's gonna go in
It's all right, Mike. Ben. Oh.
my toes.
No, it's not gonna burn your toes. It only burns mommy's toes.
Here we go.
Okay, ready?
Now we can watch it up in the sky, all the pretty
Watch.
colors.
Woo!
Wow.
Woo! Whoa! Can you imagine that was shooting at us?
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wouldn't that just be crazy if that was like firing at people? Uh-huh. I know it. It's shooting a lot. You should see my leg, Cameron. There's a big red spot. It hurts.
I'm sorry, honey.